Hello friends. So next question is about PLE, that is base life expectancy low. Basically very frequently you get that value lower than 300 in SQL server while monitoring production server. So for L2 and L3 interview question, this is very frequently asked basically in the interview question. So how can you troubleshoot? Or they can ask what is the minimum value for or best value for PLE. So basically the best practice is not below than 300. Okay, below 300 this is very bad. So on basis of that, if you have a 3 below 300 PLE, how can you troubleshoot? So question is here, how can you troubleshoot if you find PLE below 3 low or below 300 in SQL server, or low we can say that. So there are several reasons for PLE trending very low. That is, we can say that insufficient memory on SQL server, or too much load, or too much connections. If workload is steadily increasing and PLE is decreasing, you are likely short of memory. Okay, so maybe you have less users sometimes, but suddenly end user or application team has added some centers or branches, and they have added more users from application side. They are trying to connect the SQL server and all, so that will also hamper the production and degrade the performance of databases, and query will very slow and PLE goes down. Expensive operations, you can say that you are building re-indexes, or you are just finding the missing indexes, or we can say fragmented indexes. So also that will decrease the performance, or we can say that that also degrade the performance databases and low PLE. So on demand you get memory call from buffer pool for that operations, like rebuild indexes, finding fragmented indexes. So this is high IO intensive queries that will decrease the performance or degrade the performance databases, and then purely is very less, or we can say low. Okay, and the third one is statics. About the statics, the query plan change and all, or someone has modified the data inside, so that will also degrade the performance, and also low the PLE in SQL server. So to resolve this issue, you have to just focus on indexes, update statistics, delete duplicate indexes, avoid intensive queries like rebuild and finding missing indexes on production in peak time. So that is the best practices. So please keep in mind that. Hope you got this answer. Thank you for watching.